Hi guys, welcome to day 7. It's now the 31st of December and I just want to be the first to wish you a happy new year. It's been a real challenging year for lots of people, well for most people, and I really hope that 2021 is a better year for you and that you've got all your plans ready and you're going to charge into that new year with a positive attitude. Today it's going to be another subject that has caused a little bit of confusion and I've had lots of emails and lots of comments about, and that is buy, refurb and refinance. So we're going to buy, we're going to refinance, we're going to refurb, and we're going to refinance. Okay? Now, it all depends on you. I've had lots of people say to me, oh yeah, but that's going to be better than buying and flipping. Okay, it really depends on your strategy. Okay, so let's just use some real figures so we can kind of break this down. So we're going to buy something for 100k. We're going to have to use 25,000 of our deposit. Let's say that we're going to spend 20k on a refurb. Now, if we're doing the conveyor belt method and we're starting out and we want to gain the maximum amount of cash in order to put down on the next property and do this 2 or 3 times, then if we buy and sell, we'll gain the most amount of cash. So let's just continue with that. Right? So we bought it for 100, we've put 25k deposit, we've put 20k on the refurb, so we've outlaid 45k in cash. Okay? At the end of it, let's say that this property is now worth 150. So now we sell it, and we've spent 120, so therefore we've made a £30,000 profit. Okay, this is on a flip. Now let's look at a refinance. So we got the same property, 100, exactly the same, but the end value is 150. And we're going to refinance 75% of the 150. So that's 112,500, but we've spent 120. Okay, so we spent 120. So actually it means that we leave in 7.5k in the deal. Because we spent 120, we've only been able to refinance for 112,500. So we've got 7,500 stuck in. So these 45,000 that we started off with, we're now left with 37.5k. So our cash pot is diminishing. And that's because of this 75% loan to value. Now, if we could get higher, no problem. If that was 85% or even 90%, no problem at all. But in today's climate, we can't get more than 75%. So that's why using the conveyor belt method, it will give you lump sums of cash. 20k, 25k, 30k, sometimes even 50k. And then you do the conveyor belt 2 or 3 times and you've just got 90 grand. Then you could start buying one and leaving it in. Okay? But in essence, that's why if you refinance, you aren't going to be able to get to where you want to be as quick as you want to. So I hope that's cleared up the difference between the flipping and the BRRR, and also cleared up some of the questions as to, well, if you refinance, you could still get all your money back out. You won't get all of your money back out. You'll at best maybe break even, but at worst you'll be leaving in thousands of pounds, and therefore your pot is diminishing. Okay. Now again, everyone's different. So if you've got money that you can leave in, that's fine. You know, if you started off with 100,000 and you're going to leave in 7,500, that's no big deal. You've still got 92,500 left. But if you're starting out with small amounts of money, as most people are, then the conveyor belt method is a great way to build up those cash reserves. So, hope that's been useful, guys. Hope that's cleared up a little bit of confusion. I'm happy to answer any more questions if you've still got questions on that, so comment below. Guys, thanks so much. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. New year as of tomorrow, and we got lots of great content coming your way. I'll see you next year.